Hello achievers, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to cook something very special for my children, and it's from my garden. I'm going to harvest some of my tomato today, and I'm going to make something special. It's such a beautiful day today, so come along with me. Let's go. I will also show you how my children get involved in the garden. I am making rice and bacon sauce. While the rice is cooking, let's go to the garden for the tomatoes. Please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'm so happy to be harvesting this tomato. Really did well with my composting. So if you want to know the secret to my soil, to my gardening, you can check the video I made about composting. I will put the link in the description. Please do well to check. Look at how red and juicy these tomatoes are. Honestly, there is nothing like growing your own food. I started gardening as a homeschool mom and mumpreneur. It's been such a joy watching my children learn about where their food comes from. These tomatoes will give such a fresh flavor to today's recipe. I think we have enough for the sauce. Let's head to the kitchen. Now that we're in the kitchen, let's first wash our vegetables and cut them. I cut the bell pepper, onions, carrots, spring onions, beans, tomatoes, peppers and garlic. Look how colorful the vegetables are. I never throw away my vegetable scraps. Everything goes into the compost bin. That way, what we don't eat goes back into the soil, feeding the garden for the next season. It's a simple cycle of life. Soil to plate and back again. And of course, let's prepare our bacon. I wash my bacon because of the too much salt in bacon. My children and I don't like too much salt. First, I will start by frying my bacon until it's slightly crispy. The smell already has the children asking, "Mom, is lunch ready?" Now, I had all my spices and seasonings. Listen to that music. I quickly check my rice if it's ready. Now it's time to add all my veggies. Look at how they melt into the sauce. A little salt, seasoning, and that's it. Simple but delicious. While the sauce simmers, the rice is cooking on the side. If you have enjoyed this video thus far, please kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Lunch is ready and served. Tell me in the comments if you will try planting, composting or cooking this bacon sauce recipe. I did love to know. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. From harvesting tomatoes in the garden to making a simple family lunch and giving back to the earth. I hope this inspires you to try a little GardenToTable cooking at home. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more lifestyle, creativity and mumpreneur moments. And that's our lunch, bacon and tomato sauce with rice, made with love and fresh ingredients from my garden. But you know, this meal didn't just start in the kitchen. It started right here in my garden. Every plate of food reminds me of the effort that goes into planting, watering and caring for these vegetables. Come with me, I will show you where today's meal really began. This is where I grow my tomatoes, and over here are some of the other vegetables we use in our home cooking. Everything is connected. What we eat, how we grow it, and even how we return scraps to the compost to fill the soil again. It's a cycle that brings so much joy to me as a mompreneur. I love sharing it with my children too. This is our first compost, and this is the first plant we use the compost for. Look at how fresh and beautiful the seedlings are. One of my best parts of gardening is involving my children. They absolutely love watering the plants. It's a fun activity, but it is also teaching them patience, responsibility, and love for the earth. Every drop they pour today is helping tomorrow's meal to grow. I want them to always remember that what we put into the soil comes back to us at the table. Their cousin came around for a visit, and they were so happy to show her around. Look how happy they are showing each plant. That's me there teaching my son to water the plant. Not too much water, not too little. Yeah, they really had fun watering the plants. Look at the two girls were talking to each other. Look at that. See, they are really enjoying themselves. Like that. This one too.
So much water.
Yeah. Go on, put on this ones, put on those ones.
There we go.
Come on then, go in. Yes.
Did I put too much in this one?
Don't worry, it's gonna seep off. That's why there's all underneath each bottle. So don't worry too much, but try not to put too much. Okay? Come for more water, Gigi. Go on then. Is it enough?
Mommy, why are you using the white fifty bucks to plant?
Mommy use everything to plant.
What? I need to use that.
Careful, watch out for others. Do the bottle ones, Daniel. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. From harvesting tomatoes, cooking with my kids, and giving back to the soil. It's all part of my GardenToTable lifestyle. Tell me in the comments, will you try planting, composting, or cooking this bacon sauce recipe at home? I did love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more lifestyle, creativity, and mompreneur moments. See you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.